Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in a word and you stretch the sounds out slowly. And then you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Yurt. Y-t. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's have a go one more time all together. Yurt. Y-t. Fantastic. Well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Home for a Night. Girls, here is what your book looks like on Oxford Owl. Don't forget you have access to Oxford Owl now. Let's have a read. Home for a Night. Dad had a surprise. Can we look yet? Said Kipper. No, not yet, said Dad. Now you can look, said Dad. It is a yurt. How fantastic! It is a home for the night, said Biff. It is big, said Kipper. Look at all the rugs. It will be a fun home for the night, said Chip. This is a surprise, said Biff. Wilf and Wilma are camping near us. Mum saw a flash of lightning. Quick, she said, get in the yurt. It was a big storm. Lots of wind and rain, said Kipper. Will it ever stop? The storm didn't stop, but the tent was a mess. The things are all wet, said Wilf. We cannot sleep in the tent. The yurt has lots of room, said Mum. You can sleep in it with us. This is such fun, said Biff. We can chat all night. Hush, said the mums and dads, or we'll never get to sleep. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it one more time, or on Oxford Owl you have the audio play button where they will read it to you. This week for Guided Reading we will be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you'll need to do is click the link that I put in your portfolio. Once you click the link, it'll come up to this page, and to join the word search you need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun.